Hello, my name is Moog, and today we are going to change a battery for our car. So the first step is you need to open your hood. So you just open that. And you should hear click. There's a knob under this. You have to push it up. Here's a battery compartment. We're changing the battery for a Lexus, but the process should be the same for any type of car. So you have to uncover this hood. You have to press down. Now you have to remove this cover, which is on the top of the battery. Here's our battery. It looks like it's a little worn out and it leaked. Make sure you turn off your car because it can end badly if you don't. Now we have to open up this latch. So we're gonna replace this old battery with a new battery. Now open the negative side first and then the positive. Take the old battery out. We're cleaning up a little bit. Now we'll connect the positive one first and then the negative one. Flushed in the battery. Let's see if the car works. Voila. To install the battery, we went to the dealer and they told us it costed $75. And we just did it. We're gonna clean this place, clean the covers, and we'll put it. This battery has a 7-year warranty, so we're just going to write it down, the date. June 2019 is the installation date. This is how easy it is to clean your car and install a battery. Thanks for watching.